FairPlayTube feature, uploading videos. Once you have already been logged in into the application, you can go and click the upload icon. This upload video icon will take you to the upload page where you can go and choose a file. In this case, I have my file stored in here, and it's an MKB, and it's this. It will start uploading your file, and then you can also continue filling the rest of the information. Fair Play 2 feature, in this case, authentication, that's what the video is about. You can also choose to use a URL instead in case if you already have your video uploaded in a public available storage or URL. Then you can select the language spoken in the video. You can select any individual language or most of the individual languages like Russian, Spanish, Spanish from Mexico, Swedish, German, English, etc., etc. And you can also use auto-detect multi-language or auto-detect single language. In this case, I know that video only has a single language, and I know it's English because I recorded myself, so I could go and just choose English wherever I want the process to do it automatically. And then the video description. In this session you will see how you can log the application and create, or so you can create your account and log into the application. You can also set a price for that video, which will be the price you will offer the video, right? If you put 0, the video will be free, and if you put a higher value, the video will have to be bought by your consumers or your audience. You can choose the visibility to be public or private, and then when all of the fields are correct, you can click submit. Once you submit this video, you will get this notification and your video will be in the queue. You will see that here already have a couple of deleted files because those were tests, but I also have this file which is in status pending and the progress is 0%. There is a process that will run every once and then, actually every 5 minutes, checking for new videos. And if there are new videos, it will take the video, it will start it will take the available videos, it will start processing them, and then your progress will change. Currently, we do not have this refresh automatically, so you will need to refresh it manually, right? And once your video has been already processed, if you are logged into the application, you will receive a notification and you will also be able to see it in here when it shows up, indicating that your video is already available. When you receive that notification, you will be able to go to home and your video will be available in there. Also, you will be able to see your video in the My Videos section that only shows the videos that belong to you.